The other day, someone asked us what we think is one of the most important but overlooked aspects of SEO, and our local SEO strategist immediately said location pages. Location pages are specific pages on your website that target your service area. Think of it this way. Say you own a medical spa in the Orange County, California area. You're technically based in Newport Beach, but serve Corona del Mar, Laguna Beach, Costa Mesa, etc. If someone in Costa Mesa searches for best microdermabrasion facial in Costa Mesa, you had a page on your site dedicated to Costa Mesa, you'd have a good chance of showing up for that search. Keep in mind that your local pages all need to be SEO optimized, but this is a great opportunity that a lot of medical spas overlook. Are you using location pages? Let me know in the comments. For those of you not currently using them, check out our location pages blog post to learn how you can use them to skyrocket your SEO's rankings.